all of you. Tick, 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 tick. Sound of the clock. In the morning after waking up, I again lie down hearing the sound. It is just like yoga for me. Only the sound tick, tick, tick. I concentrate on the sound and simply lie down, thinking about what I have to talk in the next episode. Sometimes I sleep if night sleep is not alright, but it is a quiet, calm atmosphere, hearing only the sound tick, tick, tick of the clock. I am talking about the comfort of our home. Our home, and we have a harmony between us. Our home is a living thing like us. If the home does not like us, it will not allow us to live in the inside. The vice versa also happens. If we don't like the house of we or our harmony with our house and us is not in the correct order, the house will not progress. I am talking this because so many instances we have seen immediately after making a new house, not even living there for a few days, the owner of the house dies. Recently, we had an incident like that. The largest house of Kerala. The owner died not even living in the house. Our house, our house is a dream house. If we have money or if we don't have money, maybe we use our whole life asset put in the house, but we should be very careful when we are making the new house. Earlier, people had the correct calculation of making a house. Nowadays, architects may not be looking that and all. They ask the suggestion of the owner and make as they like. But the house you live should love you. The house will not allow you to go outside for a long time if you if it likes you. That happened to me so many times. I went to Madras for looking for a job that was very necessary that time, but I used to tell all the time I want to go home. Like that, I go to my brother's house. Immediately I tell I want to go back to my home. I was admitted in the hospital. When I came immediately after the ICU, I told the doctor I want to go home. That is, my house is always calling me when I am away from my house. That is the harmony between me and my house. The vice versa also happens. Because of the house, your destiny changes. You may get a better job, you will have lot of money, you will have lot of facilities, and you will be escaped from accidents. The same happens to the house also. Because you live in the house expands to all sides, to the top also. There are lot of facilities coming to the house, vehicles come to the house, road comes, water supply comes, street light comes, township comes, all facilities come to your house. This is the harmony of your house and you. When this does not happen, it affects the owner of the house. That is why so many houses, the owner dies immediately after living in the new house. It is a fact everybody should learn. When making a house, it is not the beauty of the house you have to look. You have to think about the mind of the house. The house is not a thing made only of stones and cement, but it is made of your heart. That house will protect you always from all your accidents, and also it will give you prosperity. I am talking this from my experience. I love my house very much, and 2 days, Onam and Vishu, I make sweet dish payasam only for my house. That I never stopped after I started living in this house almost over 25 years. The house was very small, a small room, no facilities that time, but I was happy that I could make a room, and keeping in mind that I never went in search of job. Also, I made special payasam for my house. Now I am very happy to live inside, to be inside the house all the time, So many people are very much struggling to sit in quarantine, but I am very happy to sit in quarantine because I am sitting inside my lovely home.